Ooh, baby, I love you day, every day. Yeah, yeah. Life in the Matrix, helly. You know what that means? Of course you don't, because that's Finnish slang word. Basically means life in the Matrix is sweet AF. Life in the Matrix, being plugged in, is damn nice. Being plugged in to the system, to the grid, super freaking nice. People hate to hear actual practical things to get off the freaking matrix system, the centralized matrix system. People hate to hear that. Like I was talking about yesterday with these two ladies, these women, and we were talking about the rings, that the ring makers don't make rings as big anymore because the people's bones are so small these days. Back in the days the rings were huge, like the bones, like everything else. And these days the rings are small, just like our brains, just like our intelligence. And I was like, it's the nutrition, environment, and they were like, no, it's the exercise. People hate to hear that it is the nutrition, because people have such a... First of all, people are super brainwashed about nutrition. Secondly, people have these emotional connections with different foods, different combinations, flavors and spices that entice their, tantalize their taste buds very well, and people are addicted to those because people have hard times already. I want to have my pizza on Friday. I want to have little candy to survive. But they don't know that that's exactly what's keeping the system alive. Also, people don't want to hear about it's the environment. Go out in the sun. Be less on your freaking phone. Be less on your freaking computer. Turn this YouTube off right now. You have the best science's approval. Quit watching best science right now and go outside. That's the right thing to do. Always. That's the right thing to do always when it comes to your well-being and health. Get off of these devices. People here hate that again. Again, people are very brainwashed. People think sun is bad, and sun is basically the god of our reality. Like, sun maybe didn't create this reality, but like when you start to understand what the sun does, not only do the plants, people know that very well, how sun affects the plants. Like, just open your eyes when the spring comes and you can see what happens. But people don't have pretty much no clue how the sun affects human beings. Although everybody knows, everybody's way happier, especially here in Finland, when the seasons, the change in the seasons is so big. We get incredible darkness in the winter, and then we get all sunlight, especially in the midsummer, June, July. Like, it's sunlight all the time. And in Finland, nobody is out in December, November, January. Like, the streets in the city I live and everywhere else, nobody's out except if they have to. Now you should be out. You still should be out way more in the winter, even though it sucks. But in the summer, freaking everybody's out. Everybody's usually drinking, doing those type of things. Again, the key keeps the matrix being plugged in alive. It's so damn nice to be plugged in. That's the whole point. Like, it's still, people have gotten quite a few little slaps into their face, back on their heads, monetary wise, health wise. Like, we're getting kind of pretty good beating over here. We're getting pretty good beating over here. The peasants. But for some people, the beating has to be basically a rape. Full on motherfucking that word. Like that's what needs to happen. It seems like a good portion of the people, they're so MK Ultra with these blue light devices and electronics and Netflix and channel. Like, they need to get their teeth knocked in before they wake up, because it's too damn nice to be plugged in to this system. But yeah, anyway, people super brainwashed about the sun. That's a huge one. Super brainwashed about the nutrition, and with this technological knowledge we have these days, we could easy still be in the matrix somewhat, but just change up a few things and it would be hell a lot better for people's health. But that would stop the cash flow for some of the major players who actually designed the system to be like this. That's the whole point. Like, the people who still don't get that it's designed this way, they got a long ways to go. They have a lot of knowledge to get inside of here, because it's 1000% designed to be this. And these geniuses that created this system, they know exactly what they are doing, why they are doing it, why it works. They know the answers to these questions, and they are making moves every single day to delete these answers, make these answers go away. So most of the people who wake up to the answers make these answers repressed, shadow ban these answers, censor these answers, but then they do them themselves. Because some of these elites, some of their kids are suffering even these days. Like, some of them kinda in the higher layers of the level, not the highest ones, that still probably were kids in some of those MK Ultra programs, and then they got this very nice paying job, making millions, making hella cash, and making all these regulations and rules and laws happen. So the answers to these problems are taken out with patents, laws, regulations, all those rules. But then these people didn't really think about what they were doing, because they were MK ultra good. And then they have children, and their children are suffering because of what they did. Like, I know plenty of stories like that, when they start to find the answers, then they're like, holy shit, I got fucked up. I was working for the military freaking industrial complex system, and the tiny hands, yeah, whatever. We're getting too spicy over here, and I'm out of my Arctic char and raw chicken. Man, I'm feeling good. It's snowing again. So long, spring, but the snow was actually beautiful today. I was just walking outside and I was freaking, this snowballs are like this. Snowballs. It's freaking snowballing over here. God is throwing snowballs at us. Now what a snowflakes are huge, and I was walking, I was catching them like a kid. That was awesome, bro. But it looks cool when I sit here. Anyway, That's about it. Learn about this stuff, share about this stuff. This is the only thing to use this freaking technology really. To educate other people and educate yourself. So we can do better and we can get more people to our side, to the base science, base knowledge side. Because that's the real answer to all of these problems. We could do it easy. We can change all these freaking things with our knowledge easy. With our farming, with how we build our environments. Those are the two of the biggest factors. With our knowledge of the nature. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But we gotta get this. Word out. Word out. Word up, son. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.